Hi, this is Shari, and today I'm going to show you how I have briefly just transferred from my composition notebook to a Happy Planner styled journaling notebook. And in this notebook, I'm going to show you the different sections. So this is my devotional section where I've created a calendar. And then I show where I break down the scriptures. And then there are blank pages, and then I show a calendar, a couple more blank pages, and then I show a list, well, my prayer list, of course. And I'll be adding and taking away from this journal. Here's the dotted paper that I've added. And since I'm moving from one book to the other, this is what my old journal looked like. So I'm transferring this style over all into one big notebook. So if you prayer journal, just leave your comments below and we can maybe talk about it. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.